Alright everybody, as you know, this is now going to be the second video of the poor boy alternator conversion for the GL1200. I just got the package in today. It's been a while since I took the first video, but sent the money in and he had it shipped out in 2 days. So he's very reliable. I don't want to down talk the duplicate kit. It seems like a little bit nicer design, well thought out, but it takes 2 weeks. 2 weeks to get that to your house, if not longer. So I said, no, I'll just go with the poor boy. So here we go. Here's the open box. You got some instructions. There you go. Let it focus. All right. We got alternator installation. Very nice. Moving the fan, now the wiring, fitting the fairing levers. Alright, so it's pretty well, so far, pretty well laid out. Let's see. I don't necessarily like the excessive amounts of shredded paper. Nice touch, but it's excessive. Means I'll have to vacuum later. Or my girlfriend will, either one. I probably will have to do it. But there's as you can see, there's a lot of cardboard and packing material to keep this stuff in place. There we go. Oh, here's the belt. It's a lot smaller than it looks like online. It looks like a bigger belt, but it's actually not that. Alright, what else we got? We got the KRC pulley, which also looks bigger, but this is built to poor boy's specifications. Let me set this down real quick. Don't mind me, everybody. Right, so it's a three rib Poor Boys Toys GL1200. It's very nice. Has the 1 inch spacing in the back. Can't really tell from the photos. It's a 3 rib. Okay. What else we got? Again, with all this shredded paper. Oh, there's something right there. Alright, what is this? Standard automotive parts. So what we got here? Got some hardware, some screws, some mounting bolts, and this, I'm guessing, is the bolt, center bolt for the crank pulley. Alright, here we go. We got one of the brackets. Very nice. That might be it. The rest is just cut up alternator box. Associate Jobbers alternator. Let me go ahead and make sure there's nothing else in here. Oh, here's some mounting studs. Alright, I think that was everything, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, let me get this box out of the way. All this damn paper everywhere. Don Pigott, if you're for watching. The paper's a nice touch, but it's quite a messy, very messy situation here. So there's the floor. All right, so here we go. We got the alternator, and this alternator has been modified with a 3-rib pulley. It's also been modified with, I'm guessing, a cut in the back housing to clear. Also, it has a pre-installed spade terminal to determine which one you actually need. The back half, alright, on this back side right here, there was a flange like this for the mount. If you ever have to substitute this alternator, turn it in because it's bad. And my only worries is that since this is modified, they will not take it as a core. This is a remanufactured alternator, by the way. But no worries there. Alright, so we got the alternator. We got a bracket. We got the power cable. Very nice. It looks orange, but it's definitely red. You got your 4-inch KRC pulley. You got your Micro V K030310 belt. Right there. You got your spacers. Wire for the to turn the alternator on. You got your center bolt. I'm guessing these are fan bolts. There's only 3 of them, but I'm pretty sure there might be another one, so I'll look in the box and double check. But alright, that's the unboxing of the Poor Boys alternator conversion kit. This was $525 plus $30 shipping and handling, so that was came up to $555. Now, mind you, that seems like a lot, but if you think of the price of a new stator, the stator's about $180. Then you got to go through the whole hassle removing the engine and everything else like that. This I got done removing the radiator and fairings and all that maybe about an hour it took me. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them. Please subscribe and enjoy.